Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and in today's video I'm going to share with you my full day routine that I follow nowadays. Now this routine is focused on spirituality and self-improvement, so you can follow this routine as it is, but this might be too difficult for you, so you can just take out some ideas from this video and then you can make your own full day routine for self-improvement. So please watch the whole video, and if you like my videos then you can also subscribe this channel. And one more thing, that if you want to talk to me, then I have given my Instagram ID in the description below, so you can just message me there. Now let's start this video. So there are a lot of things that I do every day, but I'm going to tell you the 4-5 most important things. So first of all, from the last 10-12 days, I'm waking up at 5:30 a.m. in the morning. I know this might be too early for you, and there is no strict need to wake up early in the morning. You can wake up at any time, just make sure you are waking up at the same time every single day. For example, you can wake up at 10 a.m. in the morning. Just make sure you are waking up every single day at 10 a.m. because then only you will be able to follow any kind of daily routine. Now, after waking up, for the first 30 minutes, I do nothing. I just simply drink a lot of water, or I just sometimes walk on the terrace because I cannot go out due to the lockdown in my city. Now most people go for their mobile phones after waking up, but please don't do this. This is the worst problem from which people are suffering nowadays. They cannot live even for a second without their mobile phone. But please don't do this because it will not let you follow any kind of morning ritual. Now, after this, I sit for meditation and I meditate for around 1 hour or sometimes 2 hours. The time is not fixed, but I try to meditate for at least 1 hour in the morning, and this is the first step towards self-improvement. You should also include meditation in your morning ritual. Apart from doing meditation in the morning, I also read a very good, positive and self-improving book in the morning. Currently, I am reading this book, Physical Life by Satyam. One of my friend has gifted me this book. So I read for 30 minutes or 1 hour this book in the morning. And this is not a very long book. If you read this book for 1 hour every day, then you will easily finish this book within a week. But this is not a love story novel that you read once in your lifetime. This is something that you have to read over and over again. And one more thing, that you should also do the things that you learn in this book. For example, this book will tell you to write down 10 things that you should do to improve your life. So you write down 10 things to improve your life, and then you slowly work on them one by one to actually improve your life. By the way, this is a very good book, and this book is available on various online platforms. So you can buy this book from the links that I have given in the description below. Other than these two things, I also watch at least one video of any spiritual guru on YouTube. Sometimes I watch J. Krishnamurti, sometimes I watch Osho, but most of the times I watch the videos of Satyanarayan Goenka ji. And you should also watch at least one video related to spirituality, because it will help you in staying connected with that thing in your life. So these were the 3 things that I do in the morning after waking up. Now, after this, I get busy in my day-to-day work, office work and other things. But in the evening, I am completely free. So I do some exercises in the evening to take care of my physical health. And then I again sit for doing my second session of meditation. And again, I meditate for 1 hour to 1.5 hours in the evening. As I said, my daily routine is focused on spirituality and self-improvement. That is why I meditate a lot. Now there is one last thing that I do every day, and it is that I take out at least 1 hour every day to learn something. Currently I'm learning Russian language because my dream is to travel the whole world and meet new people. This is why learning foreign languages will help me a lot in the future. But you don't have to learn Russian language. You can learn how to speak in English, or you can learn how to play a guitar, or you can learn how to invest in stock market. Just learn something every day. Otherwise, you will not grow in your life and you will stay stuck in one place. So these were the few things that I do every day. I hope this video will help you a lot in improving your life. Now, if you have any question or doubt in your mind, then you can always ask me in the comment section below. Or if you want to support me, then you can join this channel and become a member. Or you can also support me through Google Pay, Paytm, or through UPI ID. You will get the details in the description below and also in the end of this video. So this is all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.